Hey, welcome back to my channel. So here in today's video we are repainting the girls' bedroom. So I figured I'll take you along and show you the before and after of this transformation. So if you like this video, leave a like, and if you haven't already, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Yeah, it's about 10:10 right now, and the room's coming along. Just setting up the girls' bunk bed, but it's time to finish for tonight. I'll kind of show you how far I got. It's a bit of a job getting all these boards put together for the bunk bed. This is what the wall's looking like. The paint is still drying, so we have a nice clean line. But it's coming along. Curtains are up, rugs in. So tomorrow we're gonna set up the bunk bed, and then a couple other things are gonna go in here, and then the room should be finished. Eventually these doors, closet doors and that door, will get painted, but don't think I'll be doing that fairly soon. It'll probably be in a couple of weeks or so, depending on what we have going on. Steven. Hi, bud. Hi, bud.